morning students. Today I am going to explain solution of non-homogeneous equation of type 2. Type 2 means when RHS is sin AX or cos AX. So I will explain the working rule to solve type 2 problems. Firstly, the equation yp, particular integral means I will write it as yp is equal to sin AX by f of d. F of d means y coefficient is taken as f of d, or else cos AX divided by f of d. Okay. So what we need to do next? Next, the working rule is we place d square by minus a square. Okay. The condition is f of minus a square not equal to 0. We are already familiar with in type 1 also. What we are replacing? Replace d by a. But in type 2, when RHS is sin AX or cos AX, we should replace d square, not for d square by minus a square. So, and also we here mentioned f of minus, after replacing d square by minus a square, that f of minus a square not equal to 0. Suppose after replacing d square by minus a square, f of minus a square equal to 0. In case after replacing you got 0 means what we need to do? Multiply numerator by x and differentiate the denominator. Again, after doing this step, f dash of minus a square not equal to 0. Okay. Again you got f of minus a square equal to 0 means once again we should multiply numerator by x and again differentiate the denominator, and f double dash of minus a square not equal to 0, and so on. This is the working rule. We will continue. Okay. So we will solve the problem. So I will take one example. Solve first one, d square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to sin x. Okay. Now you can observe RHS is sin x. Sin is there means sin and cos is there means it come under type 2. So first I will write the auxiliary equation d square plus 4 of y is equal to sin x, and this auxiliary equation means we should take the coefficient of y to 0, that is m square plus 4 equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 4. So m is equal to plus or minus 2y. Okay. So what is complementary function? You can observe this is a quadratic equation. So you got two roots, plus or minus, plus 2y minus 2y, but it is complex root. So yc becomes c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So yc first part is completed. Complementary function. Next we need to find out yp. Yp is equal to sin x divided by y coefficient. Y coefficient is d square plus 4. Okay. D square plus 4. So already I explained the working rule. What is the working rule? We should replace d square by minus a square. So here sin x is there. Understood? Sin 1x. So a is 1. So what we need to replace? D square by minus a square means it is minus 1 square is 1. We can't remove minus 1. It is in the working rule negative a square. That's what it is, minus 1. So sin x divided by d square is replaced by minus 1 plus 4. So you got the answer sin x divided by 4 minus 1 is 3. So yp is sin x divided by 3. So yp. So therefore what is the general solution? Therefore general solution is yc plus yp. So we have to add in yc and yp, you will get the solution. Okay. So this is the simple one I explained. Now I go to the second one. So I take the example. example second one, see d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 4 cos square x. Okay, actually what I explained in the working rule, when RHS is sin AX or cos AX, but here what it is, cos square x. Cos square x means directly we can't take A is 1. Okay, only we should remove this square term. So by using the formula, first I do YC part. See, so equation is d square plus 3d plus 2 of y equal to 4 cos square x. Here I will write it as 4 into cos square x formula. 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Have you got it? We should remove the cos square is there. That's what I use the formula 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So now 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, so you are having 2 of 1 plus cos 2x. Now I will do YC complementary function part. So auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So you will get the answer. So it is of the form m plus 2 into factorization m plus 1 equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1. Roots are real and distinct. So YC is equal to C1 e power minus 2x plus C2 e power minus 6. Okay, so YC got over. Yes, come to YP. So now YP is equal to, what about the RHS? After cancelling this, you got 2 times of 1 plus cos 2x whole divided by y coefficient. Y coefficient is d square plus 3d plus 2. So there are 2 terms in RHS, 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, we have to separate the denominator. So I will write it as 2, let it be outside. Okay, commonly I have taken outside. 1 by d square plus 3d plus 2. 1 means constant. Constant is type 1. 1 we can write it as 1 into e power 0x. Okay, plus cos 2x divided by d square plus 3d plus 2. Okay, so next we have to apply the rule. So yes, so is equal to 2 of 1 divided by, here it is type 1, e power ax. A is 0. I can mention a is 0, it is type 1. Here this is type 2, cos 2x is there. Here a is how much? 2. Okay. So actually we should replace d square by minus a square. So d square should be replaced by minus 2 square means 4, it is minus 4. Now I will replace it. In place of the I will put 0. 0 square 0 plus 3 into 0 0. So 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Plus here cos 2x divided by d square. See, d square replaced by what? Minus 4. So I write it as minus 4 plus 3d plus 2. For d we should not replace anything. The substitution only for d square. That's what, only substituted for d square term. Second term 3d is retained as it is. So now 2 times of 1 by 2 plus cos 2x divided by minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So 3d minus 2. Now we can observe that d still it is there. Problem not yet completed. YP till we have to continue with this. So what we need to do? So I want d square here. That's what I will do, rationalize. So which is equal to 2 of 1 by 2 plus cos 2x divided by 3d minus 2. For this I will do rationalizing. So 3d plus 2 divided by 3d plus 2. Okay. So this is multiplication only for this term. Okay. Not for the first term. First term is got over. It is already completed. Now 2 of 1 by 2 plus, now see here 3d, we have to multiply these two with here 3 into, d means differential operator, d into cos 2x, differentiation of cos 2x is minus sin 2x into 2, 2x differentiation is 2, plus 2 into cos 2x, 2 into cos 2x. I think you followed now. See, 3d plus 2 is multiplied with cos 2x. D is differential operator. That's what differentiated cos 2x. Okay. So here minus is there. Next step I change it. Next step. Here see 3d minus 2 denominator. 3d plus 2. This is a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So 3d whole square means 9d square. Minus 2 square means 4. Okay. Yes. Next, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 minus, this minus, I can't take commonly because if I write here minus means same sign should include for this also. Let it be here itself. 3 2s are 6, minus 6 sin 2x plus 2 cos 2x divided by. Now we are having d square. Okay, according to the working rule, we should replace d square by minus a square. See, here not required to separate the denominator because sin 2x, here also 2 is there. Same way cos 2x, a is 2. Both are having common a, commonly 2, 2. That's what commonly I will take the denominator. So 9 into d square replaced by minus a square. So it is minus of 2 square is 4 minus 4. So which is equal to, okay, next 2 of 1 by 2, minus is taken outside. So 2 of 3 is a sin 2x minus, because minus is taken outside, that's what here negative. So minus cos 2x of divided by 36, minus 36 minus 4. Okay. So 2 of 1 by 2 minus 2, 3 sin 2x minus cos 2x whole divided by minus 36 minus 4 minus 40. So you can cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 20s. So you are having 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled, 1 minus minus you can cancel. So you will get plus 3 sin 2x minus cos 2x divided by 20. This is YP. So general solution is, general solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function you got minus 2 and 1. So add YC and YP. This gives the complete solution. Okay. So we go for the next problem, third one. D square y by dx square minus 6 dy by dx plus 25y is equal to e power 2x plus sin x. Okay. Usually in examination they won't give separately type 1 independently. They will shuffle type 1, type 2 and type 3. They can do anything. Here we can observe RHS is having e power 2x and sin x. So it is type 1 and second term is type 2. So YC part I hope everyone are familiar. You can do it. So I will just focus on YP. So YP is equal to e power 2x plus sin x divided by d square. Y coefficient I am taking, d square minus 6d plus 25. Okay. So I need to separate the denominator, e power 2x by d square minus 6d plus 25 plus sin x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25. Okay. So here e power x type 1 means we should replace d by a. A is 2. Here a is 1. A is 1. So we should replace d square by minus 1. Replacing d square by minus a square according to the type 2 working rule. So we have to find out, I'll say separately yp1, yp2, because some of the time one particular will not get in one single step. So I'll take separately and I'll find the solution. So yp1 means I'll consider the first term. Okay. So e power 2x divided by, so replace d by a. 2 square means 4 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 25. Okay. So 4 minus 12, it is minus 8. 25 minus 8. 25 minus 8. So you'll get 17. So you'll get 17. E power 2x by 17. So I'll take the second term yp2. yp2 means I'll consider this. So here sin x divided by d square minus 6d plus 25. Okay. So type 2. It is type 2. Type 2 means we should replace d square by minus a square. What is my a is what here? 1. So it is minus 1. Replacing d square by minus 1. So sin x divided by minus 1 minus 6d plus 25. So it is sin x divided by 25 minus 1, 24. 24 minus 6d. Okay, have it clear? 25 minus 1, 24 minus 6d. Here there is no d square. So what we need to do? Rationalizing. Rationalizing means 24 plus 6d divided by 24 plus 6d. Okay. So we need to rationalize this. So see here 24 plus 6d should multiply with sin x, and again in the denominator a plus b into a minus b. See 24 into sin x is 24 sin x plus 6 is constant, d it is an operator, d means we know that it is a differential operator. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. That's it. Divided by 24 minus 6d, 24 plus 6d, 24 whole square minus 6d. 6 6 is 36 d square. Now we got d square. For this d square we should replace by minus 1. Here not required to separate the denominator. Both are having x coefficient is common. 1 it is there. That's what. So you are having 24 sin x plus 6 cos x divided by 24 square minus 36 of d square replaced by minus 1. Minus into minus plus 36. So you do the calculation, you will get yp2. So finally we should add yp1 plus yp2. That is total particular integral solution, and along with you have to add with complementary function. Okay. Thank you. I hope you understood this. Kindly practice exercise problems. Okay students, next we move on to the problem. Fourth one, d square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx minus 12y is equal to e power 2x minus 3 sin 2x. Okay. So what is the equation? I'll write it as d square plus 4d minus 12 of y is equal to e power 2x minus 3 into sin 2x. Okay. So auxiliary equation, m square plus 4m minus 12 equal to 0. It will be factorized. So 6 2s are 12 plus 6 minus 2. So I'll write it as m plus 6 into m minus 2 equal to 0. So m is equal to minus 6, m is equal to plus 2. These are two roots. So roots are real and distinct. So complementary function is c1 e power 6x plus c2 e power 2x. So yc got completed, got over. Yes. Next move on to yp. So yp is equal to e power 2x. There are two different terms. Why different means this is type 1, this is type 2. So I will separate the denominator here itself. E power 2x by d square plus 4d minus 12. And similarly minus 3 into sin 2x divided by d square plus 4d minus 12. Okay. So now e power 2x by d square plus 4d minus 12, it is type 1. Replace d by a. A is 2. Here this is type 2, sin 2x, that's what. So replacing d square by minus a square, a is 2, it is minus 4. Replacing d square by minus 4. So I will take yp1. First I will simplify first term. I will take yp1 and I will complete first. So e power 2x divided by, replacing d by 2 means 2 square 4 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 12. So 8 plus 4 12. 12 minus 12 0. So we are getting denominator is 0. So denominator 0 means, so what we need to do, we should multiply numerator by x and differentiate the denominator. So yp1 is equal to x multiply numerator and differentiate the denominator. So d square differentiation 2d plus 4 into d. D differentiation 1. 4d minus 12 is constant 0. So again replacing d by a. A is 2. So we will get x into e power 2x divided by 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4. So answer is yp1 is e power 2x by 4 plus 4 8. This is yp1. Next come to second term. I will take that as yp2. Okay. So yp2 here. So negative, later will include that. I will take only the term 3 sin 2x divided by d square plus 4d minus 12. Okay. Type 2 means our working rule is replacing d square by minus a square. A is 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. D square replaced by minus 4. So 3 sin 2x divided by minus 4 plus 4d minus 12. So 3 sin 2x divided by 4d minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16. Okay. So now 4d is there. So we can't replace anything for d term. So I want d square. That's what I do rationalizing. So I will get 3 sin 2x divided by 4d minus 16. So multiply and divided by 4d plus 16 divided by 4d plus 16. Okay. So 4 3s are 12. Sin to differentiation of sin 2x is cos 2x into 2 plus 48. 16 3s are 48 into sin 2x. Okay. Divided by whole divided by 4d square. A plus a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. 4d whole square. 4 4s are 16 d square minus 16 square. 16 square is 256. Okay. Next. After this, here you can observe that a is 2. Here also x coefficient is 2. Both are same. So not required to separate the denominator. Now, so 12 2s are 24 cos 2x plus 48 sin 2x whole divided by 16 d square replaced by d square replaced by minus 4 minus 256. 16 into 4 minus 64. Okay, minus 64 minus 256. So we have to add both. So 24 cos 2x plus 48 sin 2x divided by, so we will get 3. Okay, 320 you will get. Denominator is 24 cos 2x plus 48 sin 2x divided by minus 320. Okay, so this is the yp2. So general solution means, so y is equal to, otherwise y is equal to yc plus yp. Yp, I have taken two yp values. So here yp1, we should include yp1 and this yp2. We have to add these two, yp1 and yp2 along with yc. Yc is here. So which gives the general solution. Next we'll move on to the problem 5th, that is d square y by dx square plus 9y is equal to cos x into cos 2x. Here cos is there means, so understood it is come under type 2. But what happened here, plus or minus is there means easily we can separate the denominator and we can apply type 2 method. But product is there means we can't apply the formula directly for two terms. So we have to convert this into sum or difference by using the formula. We know that cos A into cos B. This is of the form cos A into cos B. What is cos A into cos B? 1 by 2 of cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay. So cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So A is 1x, B is 2x. So I'll apply here, see, first I'll write the equation as d square plus 9 of y is equal to, here I'll change, I'll apply the formula 1 by 2 of cos A plus B, 1x plus 2x, 3x, cos 3x plus A minus B, 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x is cos minus x, but cos is even function. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. That's what it does. It should not change negative here. Okay, cos 3x plus cos x. Now, auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 9. M is equal to plus or minus 3i. Minus 9 is there. So, complex root you will get. So, yc is equal to, so there is no real part. C1 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x. This is yc. Okay. So come to yp. Yp is equal to, see, I'll take this one 1 by 2 constant, let it be outside. So cos 3x plus cos x whole divided by d square plus 9. Okay. So here a is 3, here a is 1. X coefficient is 3 here. Here x coefficient is 1. So definitely we need to separate the denominator. So I'll write it as 1 by 2 of cos 3x divided by d square plus 9 plus cos 1x or cos x divided by d square plus 9. Okay. Yeah. So for this term, first term, replace d square by minus a square. A is 3 no. So it is minus 9. Here d square replaced by 1x, so it is minus 1. So 1 by 2 of cos 3x divided by, if you replace d square by minus 9, minus 9 plus 9 becomes 0. That's what here you will get, denominator is 0. Denominator you will get 0. That's what I will do. Multiply the numerator by x. Multiply numerator by x and differentiate the denominator. D square differentiation is 2d plus 9 is 0. So understood, it is 0 plus cos x divided by d square replaced by what? Minus 1. So 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Cos x by 8. Okay? Yes. Now, you know that d is differential operator. Differential operator. Similarly, 1 by d means it is inverse differential operator. Okay? D is differential operator. 1 by d means reciprocal of that. That is inverse differential operator. So, understood integration. D means differentiation. 1 by d means integral part. Okay? So, I will write it as 1 by 2 into ax. Same way 1 by 2, x by 2. X we should not include for integration. Followed? So, x is we have taken because denominator we got 0. Okay? So, that's what x 1 by 2 is constant. 1 by d I will write it as integration of cos 3x into dx plus cos x by 8. Okay, followed? This is second term is completed. There is no d term. Only in the first term we are having d in the denominator. There is no d square. So in case you are not you are feeling difficult in integration, means you can do multiply and divided by d also you can do. I'll explain after this. Okay. Yeah. So 1 by 2 of x by 2. Here see, integration of cos 3x is sin 3x divided by 3 plus cos x by 8. Okay. So finally yp is equal to x by 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 sin 3x plus 2 into 8, 16 cos x by 8 2s are 16. This is yp. So solution y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc is here c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus x sin 3x by 12 plus cos x by 16. Here I said that you can, instead of using integration, we can do in another method also. I'll do that. If you want, you can follow that also. I like that. Instead of taking inverse differential operator. So you got from here, I'll take from this step. Okay. So actually I am taking only the term x into cos 3x divided by 2d. Okay. Actually what I want to remove d, but d square is not there to do substitution. So that's what I do, multiply and divided by d I do. Okay. So this d we have to do only for the initial, whatever the original term is there, only for that. Initially we are having only cos 3x. While applying the type 2 method to remove d square, after doing d square replaced by minus a square, we got x. That's what don't include for d into this thing. So here see, x as it is, d is differential operator, d into cos 3x. Differentiation of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into 3. Have you got it? D cos 3x is differentiation of cos 3x is sin 3x into 3 minus 3 divided by 2 into d square. Now, so you are having d square replaced by minus a square. A is 3. So it is minus 9. So you will get, so minus 3x sin 3x divided by d2 into d square replaced by minus 9. So 9 2s are 18. So minus 3x sin 3x divided by minus 18. So now negative get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 6 are. Okay. So see, now compare x sin 3x by 6. Here how much you are having? X sin 3x divided by 3 2s are 6. Okay, only I consider this part. 1 by 2 is not included. You can observe here what it is, x sin 3x by 3 2s are 6. Same answer we got by doing multiply and divided by d also. We got x sin 3x by 6. Okay, yes. Thank you.